You have the power to make a difference from the moment you wake up. Power your home with the sun. Refresh with a low-flow shower. Feels good. Air dry your laundry instead of tumbling. Eat more leftovers and reuse a humble bag. Leave the car and use your legs. In a rush? Take the bus. Become an expert recycler. Easy peasy. Enjoy fresh local produce. Make the things you love last longer. And give old treasures a second life. Good friends, they could last forever. For 0 food miles, grow your own. For an extra quick meal, use a pressure cooker and induction hob. Eat more greens. Why not try some veggie balls? Choose a low-flow tap. Power up your car with clean power. Power down your heating or aircon. All you need is great insulation. And LEDs? Always a bright idea. What a difference a day makes.